Imagine a world where diseases are diagnosed with unprecedented accuracy. Imagine treatments tailored to your unique genetic makeup. This is the promise of quantum technology in medicine. But what exactly is quantum technology? It delves into the bizarre world of atoms and photons. Here, the rules of classical physics break down, and particles can exist in multiple states at once. This quantum weirdness might seem like science fiction, but it holds the key to revolutionizing healthcare as we know it. One of the most promising aspects of quantum technology is its potential to enhance our understanding of the human body. With quantum sensors, we could peer into the deepest recesses of our cells. Imagine viewing the intricate dance of molecules in real time. This could help us unlock the secrets of diseases like never before. And it doesn't stop there. Quantum computers with their immense processing power could analyze complex medical data at warp speed. Imagine diagnosing diseases in their earliest stages even before symptoms appear. Let's dive into the exciting world of quantum diagnosis. One area where quantum technology shines is medical imaging. Imagine a world where we can see inside the human body with unprecedented clarity, without any harmful radiation. That's the promise of quantum imaging techniques like magnetic resonance imaging, MRI. Traditional MRI machines are already quite powerful, but quantum sensors could take them to a whole new level. They could detect the faintest signals from our bodies, revealing subtle changes in tissues and organs. This means earlier and more accurate diagnoses for a wide range of diseases. Another exciting area is quantum sensing. Imagine sensors so sensitive that they can detect a single molecule of a disease marker in a drop of blood. This could revolutionize early disease detection. For example, imagine diagnosing cancer when it's just a few cells, making treatment more effective. Now let's journey into the realm of quantum treatment. Imagine a world where treatments are as unique as your fingerprint. This is the promise of quantum-enhanced drug discovery and delivery. Quantum computers could simulate the behavior of molecules with incredible precision. This would allow scientists to design drugs tailored to specific individuals and diseases. Imagine a world without side effects. That's the kind of future quantum medicine could bring. Quantum technologies could also revolutionize surgery. Imagine robotic arms guided by quantum sensors performing surgeries with nanoscale precision. This could make surgeries less invasive, faster and safer. And let's not forget about radiation therapy. Quantum technologies could target cancer cells more precisely, minimizing damage to healthy tissue. So, when can we expect to see these quantum leaps in healthcare? Some quantum-enhanced imaging techniques are already being tested in clinical settings. We might see wider adoption of these technologies in the next decade or two. Quantum computers are still in their early stages of development, but they hold immense potential for drug discovery and personalized medicine. We might see significant breakthroughs in these areas in the next 20 to 30 years. The journey towards a quantum future of medicine is paved with challenges, but the potential rewards are enormous. With continued research and development, we are on the cusp of a healthcare revolution. A revolution that will transform the way we diagnose, treat, and manage diseases, ultimately leading to healthier and longer lives. The future of medicine is quantum, and it's brimming with possibilities.